So that's the beach at Dunkirk. We're going to come back, but we're going to go and get a campsite so we can stroll the beach in our shorts rather than bike gear, which would be easy, wouldn't it? So we'll go and get somewhere set up, and then we know we're right for tonight and we can go for a wander. So the first campsite we went to were full. We should have checked first really, but never mind. So now we're going to this next one that we found on Garmin. Let's see how we get on there. Hopefully they'll have room for some couple of bikers. If not, the fun will begin again like last night. Let's hope not. Oh, like that. I've seen that on the back of here. It's pretty cool. Do like that, pretty cool. Right then, let's see where this takes us. To a bed for the night, hopefully. Going left here, then first right. No. Yeah. They've got got a hole in that roof there. You'd think someone would fix that, wouldn't you? 2 holes, 3 holes. Jesus. There's bloody pigeons living in it. Left.
The ride was very short. Literally a stone throw away was the campsite. So as you can see, this is the overview of Dunkirk in northern France, and the area that we are venturing round is called Bray Dunes to the right. The campsite you watched us get turned away from because it was full was this one, and when we went to park at the beach, that was here. Then we rode our bikes to the campsite here, and as the lovely lady said, it was called
Camping du Perroquet,
or as it's called in English, Campsite of the Parrot. Now, 2 things I should point out here. A, I knew the campsite was near the border, but wow, not this close. It's literally right at the side of us. And B, the most northern point of France is at the top of this campsite on the beach.
And not only has it got a nice waterfall at the entrance, it's got a lovely bike shed for bikers. How awesome is that? We might get wet now, but the bike won't. You alright, pal, in here? Oop, watch your head. Someone's not only put it under a cover, he's put a cover under it. Yeah. Cover under a cover. Right, well, let's go and book in.
This was my very poor attempt at going undercover. I put the Insta360 camera in my top pocket and hopefully nobody'd notice it was there. I think I got away with it.
Merci, bonne journée. Au revoir. Hi. One night, 2 people, 2 tents. Motorcycle, yeah.
I have a place if you want, and you can put your motorcycle on the spot, okay? But you can drive into the campsite with your motorbike.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay? And since the beach, you've got 1.5 kilometers.
So the bikes stay where they are?
You can put your motorbikes on the place, but you can't drive in the campsite.
Oh, right, yeah, so we can go to it, yeah, got it. So we can go through going, but we can't ride.
I will show you a spot. Bonjour, monsieur le chien. And so, for the price, it's 15 and €5 for your tent, €20 for your night.
Okay.
Without shower, it's a token on the wall. You must buy it at my colleague at the gate.
Yeah.
And it's €1 for 1 point.
Okay.
Okay? The spot is the first one. You see the first tree
Yeah.
here? It's the place on the right side. Just the first one, the first tree is this one.
Right, so it's
You
just
can
down.
have a look and you can come to pay if you want. You put your motorbike and I wait of you. Okay?
Yeah,
Okay.
we'll walk up now.
Yeah, okay.
Thank you.
Right, thank you.
Yes, we can ride the motorbikes there, but we can't ride.
Can't ride, which is fair enough, and we wouldn't have done anyway, would we?
What a super helpful, lovely lady.
So it's this bit here, so could leave them there.
Yeah.
Well, we could ride them round to be fair, but
Yeah. Oh, that's
oh,
lovely. How much for it?
€20.
€20 between us.
Don't know. I presume she means each. But this ain't a bad.
Perfect.
This will do us, won't it?
Yeah.
Can't we got we're all walled in? We can have a party.
Yeah. That's more than enough.
Yeah.
Maybe we'll check them out.
The nice lady comes back and tells us she's made a mistake. That spot is already booked up. But not to worry, we can have the other side. Magic.
I need that one for family with a child.
Yeah, no problem.
All right, yeah.
That one.
So we start with right
That one. Okay, thank you
Yeah,
so
no,
much.
no, that's fine.
We'll be back.
Thank you. Actually, this is in more sunshine.
Oh, it's fine.
Well, plus, it's straight in now.
Yeah.
We'll just go in and pay them,
Yeah.
and we'll move them. So it's put an helmet on, take it all off again. Might as well just.
Yeah.
Maintenant, j'ai pas de date. Peut-être donc une idée à la place. Le soir.
Yeah, they're fine then. Thank you. Come on.
Sorry for the spot, but my colleague and
Oh, that's-
have the same reservation at the same time.
That's fine. No worries.
Je vous remercie.
Yeah. Got
Bonne journée, merci, au revoir.
That's
Just one.
just one.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Deux personnes. Et un véhicule.
Was that it?
Yeah. Thank you.
If you want, you can take a little sweet if you want.
I'm okay, thanks.
What's that, sweets?
Yeah.
BJ. Oui. 830.
Thank you very much.
Black, reddish. So I will explain. You are here with me. This is
Yeah.
all the campsite. It's huge, 30 hectares. Okay. Until the beach, 1.5 kilometers.
Right.
So you are here with me. And so you must walk. You
Yeah.
don't have a choice because it's not
Yeah.
possible with your motorbike.
Okay.
It's about 15 minutes, and in the top of the campsite we will find the restaurant, the yachting club,
Yeah.
a little shop if you need to eat something, and the way to the beach.
Oh, brilliant. That's
You
really
are
Perfect.
here, your place, and the sanitary are here just close to your spot, 100 meters above.
just up.
Yeah.
Excellent, thank
That's
you.
brilliant.
This is good.
Thank
you
you.
very much.
What do you say? Thank you.
Thank you very much.
So, just walking up there to the beach.
Yeah. Don't even have to leave the site. The site leads to the beach. This is perfect. Go on then.
So we can walk up there and see what's about and look at the ball going to the beach anyway, aren't we?
Yeah, well, we'll just we can have a beer after, can't we? We'll walk down first and have a look at the beach and.
I'll tell you wallet anyway.
Right then. So we got the long journey. That was a bit of a hill. long journey, weren't it?
Yeah.
This is our camping home for the night.
Right, need a week.
Perfect little spot, if you ask me. Great. So we're going to be here. Excellent. Better turn the ignition off on my bike. I can see with the light being on. Otherwise, won't be going nowhere in the morning. Be flat battery. Even though I've got a booster starter in the box, we won't want to use that if we can help it.
Well, if I just got the drinking bottle bank, just past them on the right. I'll get the tent up first and then.
The sun's shining, it's warm, I'm sweating for the first time in a while. Honestly, we've really looked out on this site, it's a proper site. It's like a holiday site, so you've got swimming pools, restaurants, bars, all the shebang on it. And walk along this road just behind me, down here, and it's the beach, Dunkirk beach. So we'll be going down there shortly once we've got set up here. So the other thing I should mention about this great holiday site, the charging, it seems in France, they don't do per person like a lot of places, they do per pitch. So because obviously me and Jonathan are just making up one pitch here with two small tents, they charged us €20 for tonight. So you've got all these amenities on here, the restaurants, the pubs, the pool, all the rest of it, and the beach. And it's yet the cheapest yet on the whole trip. Unreal.
The weather was great and the temperature was around 26 degrees C. We visited Dunkirk beach and went for a paddle in the surprisingly warm water. As we did, we noticed some boats coming into the beach and tractors coming to get them. At first, this seemed like quite a simple routine, but as time went on, it quickly turned into a panic. We still don't know why, but I'm sure they didn't like me filming the process. First one tractor, then another arrived. All that salt water can't be good for wheels and axles, surely.
Well, it's not all bad doing Moto Trip TV in Europe. Sometimes you get red hot sunny days and you're on the beach. We've just been in the sea, and I've got to tell you this, the water's warm. There's two tractors at the moment pulling boats out at water. It looks like he's heading this way. I'm going to be in his way in a minute, so I'm going to shift. It's been an horrible day, as you can tell. Today's been awful. We've got a great site. We're camping a cockstride off the beach, and there's a bar, a restaurant, and God knows what else here just on the beach entrance here. So we're going to get an horrible beer as well on this horrible day.
We left the sailors to panic in peace and retreated to a bar for a few beers in the sunshine and watched a game of French boules. After we emptied our glass, it was Jonathan's round, so we got a refill. It'd be rude not to. But before I had too much to drink, it was time to get all the footage off my camera and safely onto the laptop hard drive.
I know you can see that, that's my laptop bag. Without this and without the other stuff, Motor Trip TV channel would not happen. So I just want to film this because it's coming to end at trip, and I just want to show you what I've been doing every day. Bit of an inside peek and all that. So this is a 4 terabyte hard drive. I've got another one in here, so I've got, as you can see, that's 2. I've got 8 terabytes of space for filming, cameras, pictures, blah blah blah. I'm going to transfer all the footage and show you what's going on. We're opening the laptop. It's all getting serious and stuff. I've put the keep calling them SIM cards, sorry, they're not SIM cards, are they? SD card from the 360 camera in first. So we'll stick that in, and oh my god, trouble with my laptop, right? Look at that. Look at the fingerprints on that, it's disgusting. Because it's a touch screen, it's a dual screen, so this is a screen as well, and it's touch screen. You're going to look at this and think I'm right Minga, but sun's behind me so it looks worse than it is. Let's go inside that, let's select everything. Right, I'm going to blame you lot, I've just spilt my beer. Think I'm joking? Look at that, that's you. Motor trip viewers. Right, so I've selected all the footage there on that camera and we copy it all in. So there we go, as you can see now. That is going to take 6 minutes apparently. While I'm waiting, I'll have a beer. I'm trying to edit and I've got a friend. Yeah, it's a flying ant. He's just checking out my laptop. You were alright, listen, I liked you until you tried to get up my top. Where are you going? Where is he going?
I'm going on your leg.
Love all animals until they try to get up my top. Right, so that was good timing, because look at that. I'm nearly done. Oi, that's it, that's a 360 video done. Right, I'm going to take the memory card out of that. That's the GoPro. There. Stick it in the back of the laptop and we'll transfer everything off that into that there hard drive. At this point, I'm going to have to say, yeah, I've got glasses on because I need glasses to see computer, old bastard. So at this point I'm going to have to say goodbye because I need the SD card out of this camera to do exactly the same. So I can't film that obviously because, well, it's in this camera, so I'll say goodbye until next time I video something. Bye for now.